Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you several different hairstyles that you can do if you're trying to grow out your bangs. So if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I wear bangs a lot, side swept bangs. And I do this because I have a longer face and a larger forehead. But in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you different ways you can style your hair. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is let your hair dry with your bangs going backward. Typically when I'm wearing bangs, I will blow dry them down. So just let them dry going back. Now the first hairstyle that you can do is part it in the middle and just wear them down and they're out of your face like that. And depending on how long your bangs are, you can take that hair and just tuck it behind your ears. And if your bangs aren't quite long enough to reach behind your ears, you can go ahead and take some bobby pins and then just pin them down like this. And that is look number 1. For look number 2, I'm going to go ahead and take a headband and then just use that to swoop my bangs back and give it just a little bit of volume in the front. And that is look number 2. For look number 3, you're going to need a couple bobby pins. And this is going to be a half up, half down hairdo. So I'm just going to take this top section here and give it a light tease, just so that the bobby pins have something to grip to. Then I'm going to take that section of hair and just push it forward so I get a little bit of volume on top and pin it in place. And this is look number 3. For this next hairstyle, you're going to want to part your hair a little bit to one side. And then this is just going to be a little twist. So I'm going to start gathering my bangs and twisting them towards the side. Now you can add as much hair to this as you want. I chose to just keep it real thin. And then I'm just looping it around my head here and putting a bobby pin in sideways. And this is look number 4. This next hairstyle is real similar to the previous look. It's going to be a side swept also, but I'm just taking my bangs here and starting a French braid. Now you can braid this regular or do a Dutch braid where you bring the middle piece over instead of under, and that's what I decided to do here. Then I'm just adding sections of hair to the braid a couple times and then just bringing it around to the side of my head. Now once you're done braiding, you're just going to loosen it up so it looks a little bit thicker and full, and then pin it to the side of your head. And that is look number 5. Look number 6 is an updo, so you will just need a stretchy hair tie, and I'm just pulling all of my hair up and back. Now this will really get your hair out of your face, especially for the summertime. And I'm just doing a quick messy bun. So I just go ahead and loosen it all the way around, just to give it a little fullness. And then I also take my comb just to smooth it out. If you need to, you can go ahead and take some bobby pins and pin the sides down just to keep it in place. And that is it. That is look number 6. This 7th look is also another half up hairstyle, so I'm just going to take a smaller elastic and I'm going to do a little top knot up here. So I don't pull my hair all the way through, I just leave a little loop there, and then I add some volume up front and just kind of tug on it till I get it the way I like it. And here you can see my bangs sticking straight up, so I'm just going to take those and pin those down with a bobby pin. And this is look number 7. For this 8th and final look, it can't get any easier than this, just throwing on a baseball cap. So you can either do this wearing your hair down or putting your hair back in a ponytail. You can also do a side pony, which is what I chose to do here. And this is look number 8. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. Those are the 8 hairstyles that you can wear when you're growing out your bangs, which is not any fun. These were all filmed with straight hair, but of course you can do this with curly or wavy hair as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!